Hello there and welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the video element in HTML. So let's get started. First of all, this is running inside of live server, and before learning about the video element, we need a video. So I have grabbed one for myself. This is this video, and if you go to something called pexels.com, here this is the website which is called pexels.com, and here you can select video. I have just searched for landscape, and here I have found a beautiful video here which I have downloaded. Please make sure do not download it to like the quad HD or 4K. That will be very heavy on the browser. Full HD might be enough. Okay, and very thank you for contribution. I'm not pronouncing his name properly. His name is Engin. So thanks a lot. All right. With that being said, so let's go to our web page here, and here this video element is very similar to the audio element which we have learned. So we have the video element which is video, and here we have the source as well. So let's do /assets and then video.mp4, and here, yes, I have renamed that video to video.mp4, and here we can add a type of the video, right? So type, and that should be the MIME type of the video. For mp4 it is video/mp4. okay, and hit save. And if we go to the browser, let's close up, and here is our video inside of the browser, and as you can see, our video is not playing at all, and we do not have the controls or anything like that. So to do that, what we need to do basically go here, and again, just like the audio element, we have to add one attribute which is called controls. Okay, and now if we go to okay, and now if we go to the browser, we have the controls for the video, and if I just, so the video is playing here, right? And these controls are pretty good as well. Here is the volume. We can make the video full screen, and here we can download the video. We can like tinker with the playback speed. We can do the picture in picture mode as well. Awesome. So this is basically the video element, and now I want to show you some other attributes of the video element as well. So let's go here inside of our code editor, and here what I can do, let's have a comment, video with controls. And for those who don't know how to comment, it is control and /. Okay, now this is the video with controls. Okay, now if we want to automatically play the video, we can add another attribute which is called autoplay. And if I just do control B, then yeah, this should be visible. Okay, yeah, so this is the autoplay attribute. And if we now go to the browser, which is here, so as you can see, it was automatically playing before I have gone to the browser. All right, so this is one. So let's do another thing. If we want to loop the video, then there is another attribute which is called loop. So loop, which is here, and if we go to the browser once again, so video will not automatically play, which is expected, but after it like plays, right, after it finishes, it will not stop, it will loop. As you can see, it started again. Okay, so let's go to the code editor once again. So this is another attribute, and the other attribute which I want to show you is called muted. Basically our video do not have any sort of music, But if we go to the browser, let's go to the browser. As you can see, this here we can adjust the volume and so on and so forth, right? But if we just get rid of this loop and then do muted, so our video will be muted. So if I go to the browser once again, as you can see, this volume symbol and this control for the volume is disabled right now. So our video is muted here. Again, there are a bunch of things which you can like configure here inside of the video element as well. Okay, one other thing which I want to show you here is that basically this video element, we can use it along with the figure and the fig caption elements as well. So I will just comment it out, and after this comment ends, yep, here we can create a figure element, and inside of that we can create this video element. I can just copy paste that, copy and paste, and here we have this once. Let's get rid of muted and just do controls, and after that what we can do, we can do fig caption, and we can write something like landscape video, something like that, which represents the video basically. So if I just save and then go to the browser, so as you can see, our video is there. We can play it here, and on the bottom we have this landscape video fig caption as well. So this is basically the video element in HTML. Again, if you want to build a fully customized video editor, you might have to go with the JavaScript video API for that. All right, so this is the video element in HTML.